You're lucky that I didn't kill your precious family. You see the people that you're claiming to be working for, they are getting 300 million rands from you. Just for once. Think like a white person. Family oriented and strategic. You see me? I only want 100 million rands from you. And then you will get the protection that you will never get from South Africa. But before we reach on that deal, I am only giving you 24 hours to think about